Welcome to this detailed guide on setting up an autoplay feature for your image carousel in WordPress. Begin by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to observe the familiar layout of WordPress. When your eyes reach the upper right corner of the page, you will notice the login option waiting for your input. Click on this option to move forward and access your WordPress dashboard. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with various ways to sign in. In this tutorial, the easiest method is to select the option that says Continue with Google. When you click on that, a list of associated Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you would like to use with WordPress, and the system will take you through a secure process to authenticate your login. This step ensures that only you or anyone with the proper permissions can access your site's backend. The login process is straightforward, and using your Google account simplifies the entire experience, making it both secure and fast. Once you have successfully logged in, you will find yourself in the main dashboard of your WordPress site. Direct your attention towards the Quick Links section. This area of the dashboard is designed to provide immediate access to frequently used functions. In this space, search for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action will transition you from your dashboard into the editor environment where you can make changes to your website. Inside the site editor, locate and select the image carousel block that you wish to configure. The carousel block is an essential element if you intend to display a series of images in a dynamic format. Once the block is selected, you will see additional settings appear on the right hand side. The next step in our process is to focus on the right panel where these settings reside. In the right panel, find the section titled Block. This area contains various options specific to the selected block, including design and functionality settings. Carefully scroll through the options until you encounter the setting for autoplay. The autoplay feature, when enabled, will cause your image carousel to automatically rotate through the images without any manual input from the visitors. To activate this feature, simply toggle the autoplay setting on. As soon as you turn it on, your image carousel will begin to operate in auto rotation mode, ensuring that your images continuously change at predetermined intervals. As you complete these steps, you now have successfully configured your image carousel to autoplay on your WordPress site. This configuration adds a dynamic element to your page while allowing visitors to view a series of images effortlessly. By following this guide, you have learned how to access WordPress, log in via your Google account, navigate through your site's editing tools, and enable the autoplay feature on your image carousel. Enjoy the enhanced experience that this functionality brings to your website, ensuring that your content remains both engaging and visually appealing.